If you use AI for your work, you know how fast the subscriptions add up. You might be spending hundreds or even thousands of dollars every month across different platforms for images, voice, video, and coding. Many of these monthly expenses can be replaced with open-source alternatives. Today, we are looking at 10 powerful tools for video, image, and code generation that run directly on your own computer. You don't need to be a developer to use these. You just use an AI coding agent like Codex. You copy a GitHub URL, paste it into the chat box, and tell the agent, "Install this for me." The AI agent reads the repository, checks your storage, and downloads the necessary components. If you can copy and paste a link, your machine does the rest. Automating this through an AI agent handles the technical configuration that used to require manual coding. You can move away from expensive video subscriptions by using a tool called OpenMontage. OpenMontage is an agentic video producer. You give it one sentence, like asking for a cinematic video of a lightning storm over the ocean, and it handles the entire production process from start to finish. It researches the science, finds real stock footage, cuts the clips together with soft crossfades, color grades the shots, and writes and records a documentary-style voiceover without human intervention. Most AI image platforms struggle with generating text, usually returning garbled characters when you ask for a specific word. Tool number 2, Ideogram 4.0, is designed to fix this. We asked it for a cosmic turtle carrying a fantasy kingdom with specific text at the bottom. The open-source model rendered the words "Explore the Unknown" clearly in gold lettering, getting every single letter right. For audio, tool number 3 is VoiceBox. While many cloud services charge per generation for voice cloning, VoiceBox performs the same task locally. The interface is a simple 3-step process. You import a short audio clip of your voice, paste in the text of what you're saying in that clip so it can map the sounds, and then type out the new script you want it to speak. Between OpenMontage, Ideogram, and VoiceBox, you can produce broadcast-ready audio-visual content on your own hardware without recurring monthly fees. These local models can also write software. Tool number 4 is NVIDIA Nematron 3 Ultra, a massive 550 billion parameter open-source model that you can plug into your coding agent. When asked to build an EMI calculator, it wrote the entire HTML file, checked its own code for errors, fixed a mistake it found, and then presented a clean interface with interactive sliders and a complete repayment schedule. Running coding agents all day introduces a new problem. They consume tokens quickly, which can lead to work stopping at usage limits or high pay-as-you-go costs. Tool number 5 is OmniRoute, which addresses the token limit. You paste a single API key into your agent, and it automatically routes your requests to the free tiers of over 200 different AI providers. If the model you are using hits its free limit, OmniRoute instantly redirects your prompt to a backup provider, allowing your agent to continue working without interruption. For administrative tasks, tool number 6 is Meetly, an AI note-taker designed for meetings where privacy is the priority. Unlike paid meeting assistants that send your audio to external cloud servers, Meetly runs small models right on your hard drive. Your client calls and sensitive company data remains on your device. This middle stack of tools reduces your reliance on paid token tiers, while keeping your data under your own control rather than on corporate servers. For creative workflows, tool number 7 is Easy Diffusion, which provides a simplified way to generate AI art on your PC. It takes models like Stable Diffusion and wraps them in a browser window. You type in what you want, like an astronaut riding a horse, add negative prompts to remove styles you don't want, and it renders the results locally. If you want these capabilities in a single interface, tool number 8 is Open Generative AI. This is a local studio featuring over 200 distinct AI models. It centralizes models for image generation, video processing, audio editing, and lip syncing into one localized workspace. To assemble your media, tool number 9 is Palmamir Pro. This is an AI-native video editor that allows your coding agent to plug straight into your editing timeline. You drag in your clips and the agent assists with repetitive tasks. It can generate automatic captions, apply text effects, and build out background music tracks right over your footage. The final tool, number 10, is Hyperframes. This is an open-source framework that turns code directly into high-resolution MP4 animations. We gave the agent a prompt for ribbons of liquid glass and chrome twisting and colliding in slow motion. The AI wrote the code, rendered it frame by frame, and stitched together the final file. Tools like hyperframes allow you to render high-fidelity graphics on your own machine, using the same models that power top-tier professional software. You now have local alternatives for tasks that previously required a stack of paid accounts. You do not need to manually search for these repositories or learn terminal commands to get started. I've placed a cheat sheet in the video description. It contains all 10 direct links and the exact copy and paste prompts you need to get your AI agent to install everything for you. By running these tools locally and automating the setup, the distance between your creative idea and the final result is smaller than ever.